Patio renovation costs can vary between $10,000 to over $50,000. This is a very wide range due to all the different options available to you. Size, materials, and site access can play a huge role in your exact costs. So what kind of patio can you get for $10,000 to $50,000? Well, for the basics, you are going to get a patio that has a solid foundation under it. You will get site protection, so none of your existing landscape or concrete is damaged from machines, and you will get a customized patio layout that fits your space. You can choose the pavers, the joint sand color, and even the flowers that outline the perimeter of the patio. Simply put, once you determine your budget, you will get the patio you envisioned.